Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 27 seed, Merl Grove High, up against the number 38 seed, Mount Alvernia High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. We begin with Merl Grove High, which is represented by Team Captain Ashley Wright, Abigail MacDonald, Abigail Barnes, and Tiara Williams. Mount Alvernia High is represented by Kayleigh-Ann Harris, Karishma Barwani, Elena Chisholm, and Team Captain Casey Brown. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 31st match in round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. Now, it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Mount Alvernia High won and they decided to go first. And so we begin with Mount Alvernia High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Mount Alvernia, we begin with chemistry. Phenolphthalein turns to what color in basic solution?
Pink.
Correct. Chemistry for Merl Grove. Bromothiamyl blue solution turns bases to what color?
Red.
Incorrect. Blue. Local affairs, Mount Alvernia, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Daniel Stevens.
Incorrect. Dennis O'Brien, chairman of Digicel Jamaica. Local affairs for Merl Grove, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Christopher Levy.
That's correct. Jamaican Heritage, Mount Alvernia. What is the title of the Jamaican folk song with the lyrics, if you're broken out of your luck, them say what list will make you broke?
Mango Time. Mango Time.
Incorrect. Bad Mind People. Jamaican Heritage, Merl Grove. What is the name of the Jamaican folk song with the lyrics, what make you tan lang gal when you go a gully?
Where did they get?
No, away you bende. Music for Mount Alvernia. Listen to this clip and I give the title of the song.
It will not be pushed aside and turned.
Listen.
Correct. Music, Merl Grove. Listen to the clip and give the title of this song.
Now you're getting comfortable, ain't doing those things you did no more. You're slowly making me.
No more.
Incorrect. Bills, bills, bills. French for Mount Alvernia. What is une salle de classe?
Classroom.
Correct. French for Merl Grove. What is un pupitre?
Desk.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Mount Alvernia. Look at the monitor, identify this person, please.
David Speed.
Incorrect. Michael Caine. Theatre and cinema for Merl Grove. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Jack London.
Incorrect. Robert Duval. And Mount Alvernia Art. What is the name of the wax resist dyeing technique that is often used to make highly patterned cloth?
Batik.
Yes, art, Merl Grove. What is the name for the component of paint that creates uniform consistency or cohesion?
Pastel.
Incorrect. Binder. Sports of Mount Alvernia. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
David Williams.
Incorrect. Brian Lara. Sports for Merl Grove. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Ian Bishop.
Correct. Bible knowledge, Mount Alvernia. From which country was the wife of Joseph Asenath?
Egypt.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Merl Grove. Which of Jacob's sons was referred to by his father as a raving wolf?
Asher.
Incorrect. Benjamin. Biology for Mount Alvernia. What is the name of the double-walled sac containing the heart and the roots of the great vessels?
Pericardium.
Correct. Biology, Merl Grove. What is the innermost layer of tissue that lines the chambers of the heart called?
Endocardium.
Correct. Principles of business. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Merl Grove High on 4 points, Mount Alvernia High on 6 points. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.